This video shows the complete industrial process of recycling old and damaged tires into useful rubber materials. Every year, millions of tires are discarded after they become worn out or unsafe for vehicles. If left untreated, these tires can pollute the environment, block drainage systems, and even become breeding grounds for insects. Recycling helps solve this problem by turning waste into valuable products. The process begins with the collection of used tires from different locations such as mechanic workshops, dumping sites, and recycling centers. Once the tires arrive at the factory, they are carefully inspected to remove dirt, stones, and any foreign objects stuck inside them. After cleaning, the tires are moved to the cutting section. Here, powerful industrial machines slice the tires into smaller sections. This step is necessary because whole tires are too strong and thick to process directly. Cutting them into pieces makes further processing easier and more efficient. Inside every tire, there are strong metal wires used for reinforcement. These metal parts must be removed before recycling the rubber. Special machines separate the steel wires from the rubber pieces using magnets and mechanical force. The removed metal is later recycled separately. Once the rubber is free from metal, it is transferred to grinding machines. These machines crush the rubber into smaller particles or granules. As the rubber passes through different grinders, it becomes finer and more uniform in size. The rubber granules are then washed and cleaned again to remove any remaining impurities. Clean rubber is essential to produce strong and high-quality recycled products. After cleaning, the rubber particles are heated and compressed using heavy industrial presses. Heat softens the rubber, while pressure helps bind the particles together. During this stage, the rubber begins to take a new shape, often forming flat sheets or thick rubber slabs. These rubber sheets are carefully monitored to ensure they meet the required thickness and strength. Workers inspect the material to make sure there are no defects, cracks, or weak points. Once the sheets are fully formed, they are cooled down to stabilize their structure. Cooling helps the rubber regain strength and durability. The finished recycled rubber can now be used in many industries. It is commonly used to make shoe soles, floor mats, conveyor belts, playground surfaces, industrial pads, and other rubber products. Recycling tires not only reduces environmental pollution, but also saves natural resources. By reducing the need for new raw materials, it also creates jobs and supports sustainable industrial practices. This entire process shows how waste materials can be transformed into something useful through technology, innovation, and responsible recycling.